My name is Bobit Thomas. Welcome to Digital Wisdom. Today I am discussing about XML sitemaps. XML sitemaps help search engines like Google to discover the web pages on your website. It is important in search engine optimization. These XML sitemaps give search engines a website's URL and offer a complete map of all pages on website. A sitemap file where you provide information about pages, videos, and other files on your site. In its simplest form, a sitemap is an XML file that lists URL for a site along with additional metadata about each URL, like when it was updated, how often it usually how often it usually changes, and how important it is, uh, etc. So, and you will get a more information about sitemaps at sitemapsorg. Today I am discussing about two methods about sitemap generator. One is XML sitemap generator, and second is for WordPress websites you can create sitemap using Yoast plugin. Yoast plugin is one of the best plugin for search engine optimization for WordPress websites. So this is a sitemaps.org file. Is a generic file, generic website. So you can visit the sitemaps.org to find out the how like XML sitemaps sample reference, and what are the elements we have to understand from the file, like in here you can see like a location is a site name, and when it is when it was last modified, change the change frequency and priority, etc. So now I'm going to take the file like xml sitemaps.com. So xmlsitemaps.com is the website. You can create XML sitemaps for HTML sites, or any websites you developed using any other platform or software. So if you are using WordPress to design or develop your websites, then I would recommend Yoast plugin. Okay, right now this is a xmlsitemap.com. So take the website, enter the URL here, then just press the start button. So this time it will process and create the sitemap. Then it will give you a sitemap file uh, in an XML format. So we can download the XML file, then upload the XML file into the root folder or in the website. That may be the better. Okay, then after that I would like to show you how we can how we can list your XML file or upload the XML file into the Google. So XML sitemap will give the file. After that, uh, you can take the website Google Search Console, and in Google Search Console add your website first. For someone new to the Google Search Console site, then you can go through my previous video. I discussed about what are the things we can use with Google Search Console. And in the case of sitemaps, in left side you can see the sitemap link there. So put the in the sitemaps, click on the link there and enter the sitemap URL there. Then enter the submit button. Then it will inform Google about your websites XML site. Then there is a chance for the next time Google will go with that XML file. So this is a simple way to create a XML file using XML sitemap and uploading upload using Google Search Console. The second method is for with Yoast plugin. In Yoast, Yoast is one of the best plugin for search engine optimization. So log in with your WordPress control panel, WordPress dashboard. Then after installing the Yoast, you can see a Yoast link here. So just click on the Yoast link on the dashboard. Then you can see like features there. Press on the features. Then there is an option like XML sitemap. You can just put on the XML sitemap. So it will generate the XML sitemap of Yoast plugin. Okay, so this is the best way for WordPress sites to generate XML sitemaps. In general, different types of XML sitemaps available. If the site is simple one, you can create the sitemap in a one file. If the or you can create a XML sitemap of different maybe for videos or images in separate XML file map as sitemaps, and you can connect from a sitemap index file. So these are the easy way to update with uh, sitemap. So I hope this tutorial will help you to update and find more information about sitemaps. Thank you for watching videos.